Mosquito net is my house. I put this tent. I'm being harassed by police every time.
And the police, they harass us every day and night. Even yesterday, they told us to look for a place to go. Where can we go?
They're going to snatch away my children. I am an orphan. My husband is an orphan. This is the only property we have. Now what I am requesting, either I should be helped or I should be thrown out. At least I go somewhere else and look for help.
When you say you're being persecuted, who is persecuting you?
My community. My community. My community is the ones who are persecuting me.
Why?
Because I am married to a non-Somali girl. Yeah.
How long have you been camping here?
Now I am here for a week, but I've been here for 2 months. I was here again for a month. And when I come, they tell me, your case is in process. For here, you're not supposed to be here because you've been given resettlement. Resettlement is not all we need. We need safety. And they claim that I will be safe in the camp. In the camp is not safe. How did my child got poisoned? I have the documentation from the police. I have everything. My child was poisoned. She was nearly dead. And I came here. They claim that there's no protection house in Kampala, of which is very impossible for UNHCR to have a shelter in Kampala. I talked with one UNHCR worker the other day. You know what he told me? He told me there's a shelter, but it's expensive to keep me in a shelter because they don't know when Canada will come for me. Now I am requesting, if the shelter is expensive, let them keep me in the compound of the shelter. I will put this tent, I will sleep there. Let them not give me food because here there's no food. My children eat only once a day. We are being given money by Good Samaritan. Somebody gives you 1,000, 2,000, and my child eats 1 commando per day. You can see this child. I have all of their photos when they were healthy. They were not used to this kind of life. I love to work. I'm a learned woman. I want to work, but where will I work?
Why is it an issue that you have a Congolese husband? To those who persecute you, what issue do they have with that?
Because Somalis, they believe this. A Congolese is not a Somali, of course, because of the difference of our hair, the difference of our nose. You understand? Somalis, our culture is more of an Arab, and it is a taboo in my tribe. We are not allowed to marry another tribe. And if you marry, it's upon you. Now it depends with your family. If your family are so bad, they keep on incite your tribesmen, your clansmen, they incite them. And one thing with Somali for sure, if you're good, every Somali will know you're good. But if you're bad, every Somali will know that you're bad. Somalis are good in passing messages. And Somalis, by the way, if you're a Somali woman, every Somali boy is your brother. Every Somali man is your father. That is how it is. They see you having a problem, they will help you. They see you doing something that is not allowed in our culture, they will be against you.
So, were you able to identify some of these people who have been tracking and threatening to harm you?
Yes, in Kenya I knew them by faces. My foster family are one of them. You understand? But they never came to me directly, as in attacking me. They send people. Whenever I am attacked, it's different people who attacks me. I've went through a lot, but I'm still a strong woman because I see I have children. They need a better life. I don't want them to go through what I went through.
Can we hear from them?